Going to give a quick tour of the nesting box that they've been using. Got a little roof there, so it's a little harder for them to get out so quickly. Gives me time. They've been eating the entire box. Absolutely insane what they've done to the inside of it. It's like a crack den. They're knocking all the walls in and everything. You see, all this is just, most of it's just the cardboard that they've pulled off the sides. You guys are crazy. You're fine. Move those two things. It looks like he's got a scenic surrounding behind him. But I've got them a new nest box that I'm going to attach to the side of the cage. I'm going to store it around about there, so that this is what it looks like. Have that. Ow! Going on there like that, so that they can go through and have a window to be able to see out. It'll give them an extra bit of space for them to be able to keep little toys in there or forage little treats. Hey, you looking forward to me putting it together? I have to wait a day because the screws aren't big enough to be able to stretch through the bars here. These bars are really much thicker than they look. Hey, you guys seem to be really happy today. Got them a new thing there as well to put loads of millet seeds. That came through today. And I've got them some toys as well. There's a wall of pegs and some little toys down there as well for them to be able to play with. I've been currently having two bowls of seeds so that they each have a bowl because they fight over them. And one bowl is designated to vegetables during the day. But at night time I put seeds in it.